Are you wondering how you can change the ownership of a sheet in Smartsheet? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing exactly what you need to do. So what I've done here is I've just created a brand new sheet and I've just opened it up. So as you'll see, it's a completely blank sheet. You're probably wondering what you need to do from here. You've probably got a sheet already that you own and you want to transfer to somebody else. So all you need to do is you need to click the share button in the top right hand corner within the sheet itself, and that will bring this in. This will bring up this interface here. Now what you essentially need to do is look in the collaborators. So you might have already shared it with them. So when I just click that little drop down there, the future owner may already be shared to the sheet, and if that's the case, then you won't need to do this first step. But if they're not, the first thing you need to do is just add them. So I'm just going to add an example email just to show you. So this would obviously be that individual's email address. We're going with Gmail, and what you can do here is just set their permissions. At this stage it doesn't really matter, although if you are making them an owner, I mean, it would make sense to make them an admin, but this will change anyway when they're kind of shared to the sheet and they become an owner. So we'll make them an admin. Write a little message in here, I would like you to be the owner of this sheet. This isn't, I want you to take over this particular resource. You can notify them and you can CC yourself so you get an email as well. So once that's all done, you can change the subject of the email header as well. You will share the sheet and that will add the collaborator. So you'll see here, this is the kind of second step, and this is where you make the change. So once you've got the collaborator in there, you hover over that collaborator you want to make the owner of the sheet, go over to the drop down, left click and make owner. And if you do that, then this message will pop up and it will say a message will be sent to the email address on record requesting that ownership be transferred. So that individual is then going to receive an email which they will need to confirm that they want to take the responsibility of this sheet. Once they do that, then in real time this will update and they will say owner and you will drop automatically down to an admin, I believe. But once they're the owner, they can start changing your permissions, so do bear that in mind. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing and even checking out my channel where I've got a lot more videos on Smartsheet and training on the tool. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.